Okay, now the hubs are installed in their position and all wiring is complete. About this controller, I want to tell you something. This is by Oreng, that is the original company who are making these scooters and their controllers. This controller was the old version, and the old version have this type of connector. Okay, so the new they have like this. In the new have a one feature which is like there can be A and B are same. Okay, this the A B, no matter, you can use this controller in the front or the other controller in the rear, so this will be the same. In the previous model, that was controller A and controller B, so if one controller was not working, the other also not working. But in this one also you have to connect both controller. After that is your choice, you want to use it the single motor drive or dual motor drive. And about one thing very important in the wiring, about the wiring here, this the orange wire and blue and black, that will be 3 wire. So if you want to on the controller or e-bike, this orange wire must have a 60 volt, so you can connect to the battery positive or you can connect the toggle switch, so it will be on. So I install here this the security alarm, that one, and this is the orange wire. It will be connected to the orange of security, and the red is the battery positive, black is the ground, and the blue is also accessories. It means the blue also have a 60 volt. If the 60 volt have, this will on. So this is the green, it's go to the motor phase. So after that, that white is the self-learning wires. So if the motor rotation into the reverse direction, you just connect them and the motor will start spinning to the forward. Just you connect, and after once the right rotation, you can disconnect that one. So this is a 50 ampere controller, and now this is good for this 3 kilowatt hub, this one, so you can use it, that one. Installation of the hub is complete. Now it's time to test. So they are smooth. Yeah, this is original, and this one we repair. Yes, smooth, very very smooth. Now let's test. So the power up, I will use this my keyless remote, double press, and it's on. Okay, so the first, this one is a rear wheel, which is here. I will do the accelerate. Very smooth, perfect. And now we use the dual hub and see the front. Yeah, very smooth. Here is on the speedometer, first gear 31, second gear still smooth, 50, still smooth, 50. Okay, that was second gear. Now gear number 3, that is the maximum. Wow, 89. So speed is good, perfect, no humming sound, everything is perfect. So here is again. Okay, good. So now I will close the wiring and then we will do the test drive.